Jai Hind students, today we are going to discuss how to solve one more word problem from the same exercise 3.6, question number 2, second part from NCERT. This is a time and work related problem. Here is the question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Let us solve it. From the last sentence, find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. It is very clear that we have to suppose the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work as X days and the time taken by one man alone as Y days. Now, one woman alone finishes the work in X days, therefore one woman's 1 day's work will be equal to 1 by X. Similarly, one man alone finishes the work in Y days, therefore one man's 1 day's work will be equal to 1 by Y. Now here it is written 2 women and 5 men, therefore 2 women's 1 day's work will be equal to 2 by X and 5 men's 1 day's work will be equal to 5 by Y. Now in the first condition it is written as 2 women and 5 men can finish the work in 4 days. Therefore 2 women's 1 day's work, here and is written, that means plus 5 men's 1 day's work will be equal to, here 1 day's work will be equal to 1 by 4, and we have got already 2 women's 1 day's work as 2 by X, 5 men's 1 day's work as 5 by Y, therefore 2 by X plus 5 by Y is equal to 1 by 4. This can be rearranged as 2 into in bracket 1 by X plus 5 into in bracket 1 by Y is equal to 1 by 4. Suppose it to be equation 1. Now in the second condition it is written as 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. Already we have taken one woman's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by X. Therefore 3 women's 1 day's work will be equal to 3 by X. Similarly, one man's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by Y. Therefore 6 men's 1 day's work will be equal to 6 by Y. And here 1 day's work will be equal to 1 by 3. So finally 3 by X plus 6 by Y is equal to 1 by 3. Dividing both sides by 3, we get 1 by X plus 2 by Y is equal to 1 by 9. Now this can be rearranged as in bracket 1 by X plus 2 into in bracket 1 by Y is equal to 1 by 9. Suppose it to be equation 2. Now we have to solve these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2 for X and Y. But these two equations are not in the linear form. So first we have to reduce them into linear form, and to do that we have to put 1 by X is equal to P and 1 by Y is equal to Q. So putting 1 by X is equal to P and 1 by Y is equal to Q in equation 1, we will get 2 in place of 1 by X P, that is 2P, plus 5 into 1 by Y, that is Q. So 5Q is equal to 1 by 4, which we have written here 2P plus 5Q is equal to 1 by 4. Suppose it to be equation 3. Again in equation 2, in place of 1 by X we will put P. So P plus 2 into in place of 1 by Y we will put Q. So 2Q is equal to 1 by 9. Which is written here P plus 2Q is equal to 1 by 9. Suppose it to be equation 4. So Finally, we have got these two equations, equation 3 and 4 in P and Q, which are in the linear form. Now we have to solve for P and Q by using any of the three algebraic methods. Here we are going to apply elimination method, and to eliminate P from both these equations, equation 3 and 4, we have to multiply equation 4 by 2 in order to make the coefficients of P in the first terms of both the equations, equation 3 and 4, same. So multiplying equation 4 by 2, we get 2P plus 4Q is equal to 2 by 9, suppose it to be equation 5. So from equation 4 we have got equation 5. So finally we have to deal with equation 3 and equation 5. Now in these two equations, the first term 2P is with the same sign, that is positive sign. So to eliminate P from these two equations, equation 3 and 5, we have to subtract. So subtracting equation 5 from equation 3, we get finally Q is equal to 1 by 36. So substituting Q is equal to 1 by 36 in equation 4, we will get P plus 2 into, in place of Q we will put 1 by 36. So 2 into 1 by 36 is equal to 1 by 9, which is written here. P plus 2 into 1 by 36 is equal to 1 by 9. So after simplifying and solving, finally we get P is equal to 1 by 18. Therefore P is equal to 1 by 18 and Q is equal to 1 by 36. But we supposed P as 1 by x and Q as 1 by y. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18 and 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36. That implies x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36. But we supposed x as the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work. Therefore the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is 18 days. And y we supposed as the time taken by one man alone to finish the work. Therefore the time taken by one man alone to finish the work is 36 days. In the next class, we will discuss how to solve one more word problem from the same exercise 3.6 from NCERT. Till then, take a good care of yourself and bye.